This video tutorial I will cover @AutoWide annotation in setter method. Here I have defined a class address. It has three properties: city, state, and country. And it has address constructor which accept city, state, and country. Here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the class employee. It has two properties: name and address. And in setter method of address, I have applied @AutoWide annotation. So Spring Container creates address object and pass to this method and inject the address object to employee. And it has employee constructor which accept name, and it has display employee details method. To enable @AutoWide, we have to register AutoWide annotation bean post processor. We can do it in two ways. The first way is including annotation config, and the second way is including AutoWide annotation bean post processor. This is the Spring configuration file. Spring Container read this Spring configuration file, and it creates address object and employee object. And set address method of employee class, we have applied @AutoWide annotation. So address object will be injected to employee object. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring Container, and calling display employee details method. Here you can see the output. Here you can see the employee object. Name is set as Peter, and address object is injected to employee object.